So welcome to codersclub.in. So in this video, we will see what are the categories of tags available in HTML. Okay, there are two nomenclatures. Some people call it as HTML tag and some people call it as HTML element. So actually both are same. So in the last video, we have already understood that what is HTML? HTML is a set of predefined tags. Okay, that means the HTML specification defines a lot of tags. So these tags are classified into different categories. So these are the different categories: structural tags, okay, table tags, anchor tags, list tags, text formatting tags, header tags, form control tags, input tag, select option tags, frame tags, image tags, div or span tags, and tags used inside the head. So these are the broad categories of tags or elements available in HTML. So we'll just go through these things, not in detail. Okay, structural tags. So these are called as structural tags: HTML, head, and body. Okay, next, table tags. So to make a table in HTML, so we have to use these tags. That is table, th, tr, td, caption, t body, and t head. So we'll see in detail how to make a table in HTML in later videos. Next, we have got different categories of tag called as anchor tags. It is called as A, and this href is the attribute. So again, we will see these things in detail. Next, list tags. So these are the list tags available: ul, ol, dl, dt, dd, and then li. ul stands for unordered list and ol stands for ordered list. Next, text formatting. There are some text formatting tags available. That is center, font, color is the attribute, and then paragraph, and then pre, and then B. B stands for bold. Okay. But at present, some of the tags they are not using. These are deprecated. For example, centering. Now they say that the centering and all has to be done in the CSS, and font color also has to be done in the CSS. So earlier they had provided some tags, so but as per today's this thing, they are not using these tags. So all this styling information has to be given in the CSS. So these are the header tags. So 6 types of header tags are available: H1, H2, H3 up to H6. So H1 the font size is more, and H6 the font size is less. So different sizes of headings are available. Next, form control tags. So in HTML we will see so many forms. Okay, so each form we fill up the form and then submit the form. So how that is done? That is done using a form tag. Form tag has got some attributes like name, action, and these are the two HTTP methods called as get and post, which we will study in detail in a later video. And then the form tag supports some of the events called as on submit. Next, there are different type of input tags available. So input type is equal to text and type is equal to text area, button, password, radio, checkbox, submit, reset, and hidden. So these are all the different type of input tags available. And next, select option tag. So this is used for drop down list boxes. So we use two types of tags called as select and option. Next is a frame tags. Okay, sometimes we want to divide the screen into four different portions, and we click in one portion and the output appears in the other portion. So for doing those things, we use frame tags. Next, image tags. So image tags is used to display the images on the web page. Next, div and span tags. So these are all called as these tags are called as the placeholders, so which we will see in detail in the upcoming videos. Div and span tags are used. Tags used in the header section. So we have seen that the structural tags, there are 3 structural tags, that is HTML, head, and body. And within the head section, so generally these 4 tags are used, that is title, script, style, and then link. So these are the tags. So this gives a broad category of tags available in HTML. So we will go in detail and study all these categories of tags in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.